This video is not financial advice. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. Invest at your own risk. What is up, everyone? Safe Investor AG here. H% Saucy Warrior. And today, I got a banger for you guys. Which will 50x? One of these is bound to 50x real soon. H-Bar Suite, or Jam, or Headstarter, or CALAXY. So let's get to work. I like cutting to the chase. So I have all these four. These are amazing projects, amazing utility tokens. We're gonna go over the white papers. We're gonna go over just kind of we're gonna skim through it, and most important of all, I'm gonna do a deep dive of each on the next videos. But lately, I've been doing more H-Bar Suite because of their audit. But there's other major projects going on as well. CALAXY, it's a great one. Jam, amazing project. Headstarter. So, I mean, it's tough. It's tough to pick which one. You think it's one of these four, I believe: CALAXY, Headstarter, Jam, or H-Bar Suite. So let's get to it. So let's get started with Headstarter. So Headstarter, we're gonna go directly to their light paper. Okay, their light paper. Headstarter is a project accelerator and the thoroughbred native launchpad of the Hedera Hashgraph ecosystem. The Hedera decentralized application is optimized for the underlying distributed ledger technology and leverages Hedera smart contracts in conjunction with Hedera token services, with the purpose of a wide Hedera ecosystem enablement by facilitating community awareness, visibility, and raise of capital in a fair and transparent manner. That is really, really cool highlight. Headstarter is curating the best early stage Hedera projects and connecting them with a community and regulatory friendly decentralized funding. Hedera is a layer 1 decentralized network that has always stood for decentralization and building value for long run, with recent steps in openness, compatibility, and incentivizing development through the foundation's grants. The network is soon to see its mainstream recognition, of course. Headstarter is the missing piece that will bring trust, utility, and mainstream developer a retail adoption another step closer. Pioneering DeFi and crowdfunding on Hedera comes through the Headstarter dApp functionalities, infrastructure, ecosystems, and accelerator program. Our product is a vital component that provides the ability to democratize traditional financing models in Web3, tokenized world of today, but also make it widely accessible and tangible like never before. We have assembled an end-to-end decentralized platform with integrated regulatory-friendly token sales rounds, publicly auditable functionalities, and educational support mediums. An exciting array of new features, gamification. Ooh, that's cool. Gamification. And integrations are planned to be rolled out in the weeks and months to come. Okay, this is extremely cool. So, the product. Headstarter is a decentralized application layer protocol designed to help existing and upcoming Hedera native project with funding, visibility, and a solid user base. So you got a project, you have to go through Headstarter. And Headstarter will help you with, if it's a legit project, it'll help you with grants. So it gives you over here an idea. So the pillars on which the project is designed are innovation, transparency, and regulatory savviness. Headstarter community members will be introduced to successfully vetted projects connected with their respective teams and products, and finally are being offered the opportunity to participate in their pre-listing public IDOs. For those of you who don't know what an IDO is, it's right here. an initial decentralized offering. Okay, so this is awesome. I can't go through much of this because I can't take too much time, but I'll leave the link down below so you guys can come and check it out and read Headstarter's light paper, but in the roadmap. But I will do a deep dive in my next video about each of these projects one at a time. So my next video will be about Headstarter, and I will deep dive and the tokenomics, the metrics. It's real cool. Okay, so that's Headstarter. It's amazing. Wow. Okay, anyways, let's move on to the second one. Now we got Jam. This is crazy. Very crazy. So taking a quick look at the tokenomics. So what's Jam? So this is the reason why I like sometimes more CoinMarketCap, because it just condenses everything into one, and it's kind of like crypto for dummies type of explanation. So 2NFM or Jam, the live 2NFM price today. Sorry, let's go down here. Come on, read more. Here it is. Okay. Jam 2NFM is a Web3 decentralized music streaming platform and music NFT marketplace. Join thousands of artists and music fans around the world to discover new music. The Jam token is the first Hedera token service, HTS ecosystem token, to enable micropayments for music streaming. When the music gets played, the artist gets paid. Extremely cool. I mean, the utility is awesome to this. And then you just take a look at the tokenomics here. Let's go a little bit over the white paper and understand Jam a little more. I'm not going to do a deep dive like I said before, but I will do a deep dive in a little bit. But let's get a little bit of an idea. Okay, this white paper serves to elaborate on the vision and technical roadmap of the 2NFM team and Jam token initiative. Abstract. We embarked on this mission to create a global independent music marketplace for artists to collaborate, share their music, and connect directly to their fans. Our goal is to democratize access to music and level the playing field for artists around the world. So this is for all level, social level type of artist. If you're just starting out, I'm assuming to the major famous ones. Today, 2NFM is a thriving music marketplace where you can discover great independent music from all around the world. The 2NFM Jam token is a Hedera Hashgraph powered music token to enable a global decentralized music streaming marketplace. Platform for artists and fans. We will utilize the Jam token to create a fully tokenized music economy that allows for micropayments directly between artists and fans for streaming and curating music. Man, this is super awesome. Like, whoa. And then if you go to their website, now these projects are legit. They're nothing like, don't compare any of these to any kind of meme coin, guys. These are utility tokens. They have technology behind them. They're backed up by technology. So this is 2NFM. Let's jump to the next one. Let's go to CALAXY. Now CALAXY is a little tricky. CALAXY, it's not tricky at all. Let's jump to their. Okay, so in other words, this is why I like CoinMarketCap. So we read here. Sorry, there we go. Okay, The creators of CALAXY protocol is a centralized permissionless protocol dedicated to content creator monetization via the use of social tokens and NFTs. CALAXY acts as a governance and gas fees for the creators' CALAXY ecosystem. The creators' CALAXY is the creators' CALAXY is the world's first protocol that incorporates both NFTs and social tokens. CALAXY is the first application built on creators' CALAXY protocol that serves as a Twitter-like, Instagram-like interface for creators to create and sell digital assets. Fans are able to buy creator tokens directly within the application by using fiat and eventually CALAXY. So, like I've explained before in one of my deep dives about utility tokens, this is going to be a, and we're going to read, not going to read the white paper real quick because everyone understands. This is going to be a social media. So for people that want to get set up and start a social media in the space, you have to go through CALAXY, and this is their white paper. So freaking cool. Look at this. So it's gonna be a mashup of Twitter, like I was saying, Instagram, and look at all that. That's so stinking cool how it works. CALAXY is the first application that implements creator social tokens and collectibles. NFTs find within creators. Dang. Okay, CALAXY. This is amazing. Amazing project. Okay. Wow. So I'm going to do a deep dive about this one as well on my next, not my next video, but probably the third, because I'm going to go in order. I'm going to do Headstarter, then a deep dive on Jam, and then another video deep dive on CALAXY. And then, last but not least, Headstarter Suite. So Headstarter Suite. So we're going to go and read their white paper. Here it is. So this is not their white paper, but Headstarter Suite is the world's first carbon negative DAO to utilize innovative smart node technology deployed on top of the Hedera network. With the ability to bypass smart contract limitations and risks, our smart nodes enable infinite scalability. That's insane. So if you need to understand, you need to understand this. You do. So you got to click on the white paper. We'll take you here. Now, you can see the fungible tokens. Okay, Headstarter Suite, G-Bar, the non-fungible tokens. All right, mainly the staking NFTs. Super duper cool. And then, how does it work? So, the team created a smart contract-less engine to interact with Hedera network functionalities in a centralized and multi-sig manner using offline transactions signed by smart nodes. The nodes monitor programmed Hedera account IDs to execute functions like Launchpad, token swap, DAO voting, bypassing smart contract limitations to create infinitely scalable DeFi solutions in a trusted and decentralized way. Wow. Okay, so you have to understand smart nodes versus smart contracts. Okay, smart contracts. Okay, if a transaction fails, user still pays for gas fees. That has happened so many times. When I try to make a trade or a swap and it fails, I still get charged HBAR fees. Oh, so if you try to buy a token, say Headstarter Suite, for example, you want to buy it. Well, it's pushing up pretty good. Let's say you want to buy it and you bought it at this price, but someone else already beat you to it and it's already up 20%, it will fail because your slippage is probably at 5%. And because it fails, you attempted to make the swap, you freaking pay the gas fees. So that is completely true. This is completely true. Happened to me. Now, in the smart node, if a transaction fails, user pays nothing. Boom! Wow. Fairness. Now, smart contract. When executing a contract, user is not able to see what they are signing. Never thought about that. That's true. When executing an atomic transaction, user is able to see what they are signing. Transparency. Dang. Smart contracts. Maintenance limits. Smart nodes. Easier maintenance can build a full dApp in one language. Smart contracts. Data structure limit. Smart nodes. No data structure limit. Smart contracts. Memory limit 10 megabytes. Smart nodes. No memory limit. Now, smart contracts. Non-scalable. I didn't even know that. Smart nodes. Infinitely scalable. I thought you can scale smart contracts at some level, but I didn't know it wasn't scalable. And this thing is infinitely scalable. Holy crap. This thing is going to replace everything. I mean, everything. Holy crap. This is crazy. Let's look at their vision. This is their roadmap. Just want to show you guys real quick. Hello future. Smart Node MVP. Took us 6 months of hard work to make it work, but we did it. Treasury Committee. So look how long they've come. They've come a long ways. Q1. All of these projects have, I'm sorry. Headstarter to CALAXY to Jam. Now, dang. Done. They just have 5 tasks left. Holy crap. So, they're going through an audit. They're going through an audit right now. And the audit is for their decks. This is their decks. And it's looking pretty legit. So I've messed around their decks a little bit here and there just to test it out. Holy crap. They're it's pretty high level. I don't know what to say. So you can run your own node at 10 million HBird Suite, but for the first people doing it, I guess for the pre-sale of nodes, you need to own a Golden Shibar NFT, and you can run it. And I'm gonna run mine. And Target, if you're watching this, pick me. But if I had to pick between these 4, y'all know which one I'm gonna pick. They're all legit. Now, they all have major catalyst. Let me show you which ones. For example, Jam. Jam, all you have to do is look at their tokenomics. Circulating supply is at 2.9 billion. Okay. Total supply currently is 3 billion. They're almost out of the current circulating supply. Now, yes, the max supply is 92 billion. Yes. Okay. But they're about to run out. What's going to happen when they do? Well, the price is going to explode. Just out of tokenomics. But they still need, in order for Jam to explode, in my belief, they need a decent sized artist to join on the game. I mean, on the fun. I mean, no one too popular or really popular, just someone somewhat popular. And it'll catch, it'll snowball into something huge. It might, currently at the status it's at, it might just explode because of this. Yeah. Headstarter. Headstarter recently, they contracted with Citadel Wallet, and they got amazing projects coming up. I don't see it popping soon, but my money's safe in here. I trust Headstarter. And then we got CALAXY. CALAXY looks like it's up and running. Just check this out. I mean, do they have this thing up and running already? I don't even know how to access the what is it, like a MySpace? Crap. Anyways, all of these that you see here, they will need smart contracts. But guess who's the next level smart contract that's going to replace them all? Yes, you guessed it. Where is it? Wait, what the heck? Headstarter Suite. Everything runs on smart contracts currently. Everything. So, let me know what you guys think. Which one do you think of these projects is the next one to explode? One of them is going to explode. And I'm going to say Headstarter Suite. It's Headstarter Suite. I might get surprised at, Jam. It might be Jam. It might be CALAXY. It might be some I don't know about Headstarter. But for right now, I think it's Headstarter Suite. So comment down below, which one do you think is going to explode next? Am I right? Am I wrong? What do you think about the thesis I'm presenting? Comment down below. I mean, look at Headstarter. Last fact. After Whitepaper. So they're going to be pushing and supporting. Sorry, I found there was somewhere right here. So check this out. So this is their little tech stack. This is Chinese to me, okay? But there's Hedera Porta, Dragon Glass, Cache. This is Chinese to me. But look, all I see is this smart contract service. Vesting contract, staking contract, base pool. Holy smokes! What if this gets replaced with smart nodes? Huh? Headstarter Suite doesn't plan on stopping there. They plan to go for not just a community, but they plan to go for, let me show you right here. Headstarter Suite. They're planning, you got to read this, the community edition, and then they're coming to go after the enterprises. That's insane. Again, I apologize I'm doing this video like this on machine. I left my laptop at work. If you noticed, my last video was on my laptop. But I'm so sorry. I think it's Headstarter Suite all the way. Headstarter is gonna blow everything. It's it's gonna start, and then everyone is gonna be saying, "Oh, my face! What's happened to my face? We're getting ripped off." That's because it's gonna drop a couple zeros, or one at least. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Which one do you think is gonna explode next? Which one of these four? Headstarter Suite, Jam, Headstarter, or CALAXY? Comment down below. Next deep dive will be Headstarter. Thank you guys for watching. Again, this is not financial advice. Invest at your own risk. This is Headstarter Simp, Saucy Warrior. You guys have a great night. Stay saucy. Bye.